Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set spatial wallpaper on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, just open your web browser app and in the search bar, just search this. After that, just open this website. Now just tap on scroll to available downloads and select the latest version. After that, just tap on scroll to available downloads and tap on this APK. Then tap on download APK. Now just select download and tap on download anyway. After that, just tap on open and select install. Now just tap on decline and tap on open. From here, just tap on continue, then tap on allow all. On this page, just tap on create your own moving wallpaper. Then tap on plus and select gallery. Now just select an image from your gallery app. Then tap on image settings and enable motion effect. Now just increase the Y movement to 18. Then tap on preview and tap on the download icon over here. Now just give a name to your spatial wallpaper. After that, just tap on save and select set as wallpaper. Now from here, you will have the option to set this spatial wallpaper as your lock screen wallpaper, your home screen wallpaper, or as your lock screen and home screen wallpaper. I will select lock screen and home screen. And this is how you can set spatial wallpaper on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.